Now I'll show you the new interface for SMS messages. As the admin, well, this is the interface that you should use for sending messages. Just for, as you can see here, you have a record of all messages sent or broadcast to various lists, whether it was you as admin or another user that created it. And so to create a new also you can check out your scheduled, and I'll show you a little bit more of that here in a second. So you can type in a title. Alright, I mean, that can be anything you want. No one's going to see this. It's just for your reference. It's just what shows up in the list of messages that was on the previous screen. So I'm not being very creative, I know, but type in your message. It tells you how many characters you have available. You need to be on the HTML tab is the best place to do this. It kind of makes sure that it strips out all. You know, you don't. I'll just show you this real quick. If you happen to be on this tab, and for the most part, it'll work okay. And if you happen to insert any HTML behind the scenes, like we have test message, and now we have some HTML tags in there, it's going to mess up our character count, and we don't really want that. So best place to do it is, in most cases, people aren't going to mess with those things anyway. They're just going to type the message and send it. But okay, so test message, and I'm going to send it to this list, and I'm going to choose a phone number to send it to, and as soon as I click publish, it'll actually send that out to the list. And these numbers here, there's 2 subscribers on this list, so you get the subscriber count. If you want to schedule a message, you can schedule as many messages into the future as you want. All you have to do is, instead of publish immediately, you would click edit and change the date and time that you want it to go out, so you can be specific right down to the minute when you want these to be delivered. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let's change this. Now, remember to hit OK. If I hit publish now, it'll just do it immediately. So hit OK. You'll notice this button changes to schedule. So if I click this, it gives me a little confirmation. Do I want to continue? Yep. And now we can see that it's been created. And if I go back into my list of messages, you'll see there's the one I just created, message title, and then it's a scheduled message. And then if you want to filter your list by scheduled messages, you can do that. So let's see here. You can edit this message anytime up until before it's sent. So it's not sent. Here's the status down here. As of this day and time, it hasn't been sent yet. So if I want to make a little edit to it and change it, I can go ahead and update it. And since it hasn't gone out yet, it will those changes will take effect. If I go back into my message list, and I can look at one of these that have already been published or sent, and I edit those, the status will tell me that it's already been sent and that I cannot make any changes to it, and it won't. You can't force it to go out again. That about covers the new interface for SMS messages. Actually, what I'll do, let me just show you real quick what it looks like for a user. I'm logged in on another browser as another user here. Now notice that this is the same interface, SMS messages, but I only see the messages that I'm the author on, or the creator of. So and when I create a new message, I'm only going to see the list that I have access to. So same interface, same options for scheduling and that type of thing. It's just that I only have access to my list. So one other thing I've probably mentioned in another video, but make sure, and you'll be prompted if I try to publish this, it's going to tell me what's wrong here. I need to select a list. I need to pick a phone number, and it's telling me that my message is blank, so I probably don't want to send a blank message. It won't let me continue without setting this stuff up. So if I just type in my message here, let's try it again. It tells me now I still need to select a list. I need to select a phone number, or my from number. So if I click on the list, you'll notice that when I click this list, it updated on the right over here. Here are the two numbers that are assigned or available for this specific list, and I can choose one of those to send the message from. So now if I click it, it will actually say it's going to send it. Do I want to continue? And that covers, I think, all the features of the new interface for sending messages.